NFT sales hit 25 billion in 2021. Can you believe that? Here is another one. This Indonesian student selfie fetch 1 million in NFT. How does it do all the things? Soon we will find out. Alright, for the people who don't know about what is NFT and non-fungible token, or NFT is a non-interchangeable unit of data stored on the blockchain, a form of digital ledger. Types of NFT data unit may be associated with digital files such as photos, videos, and audios. Because each token is uniquely identifiable, NFT is different from blockchain cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Now let's go to the tutorial. Step 1. Select your pictures. Step 2. Open the software and turn your pictures into NFT art. Step 3. Sell your art in this website and get paid hundreds of dollars. But everyone, due to the massive hype around the NFT, more and more people want to create NFT themselves today. In this step-by-step tutorial, I want you to show how you can literally turn any pictures into NFT art. Before we start, welcome to Digital Ninja YouTube channel. Here we will be helping you achieve your goals by showing you how to make money online with the step-by-step tutorials of earning money from home. Subscribe to our channel and get ready to make money online. Now all you have to do is watch the entire video and follow the step-by-step instructions in this tutorial. Okay, so since we are really creating or drawing an NFT, you obviously need something. You want to turn into an NFT. For that, you can basically use whatever you desire, such as your mobile photograph. Make sure it's your own picture so you don't have any problems with copyright. Now we could just take this picture here and upload it to a marketplace such as OpenSea. If we suppose that we actually want to make money with this NFT, we need to do something different to this picture first, because these paintings or comics like characters tend to do way better in selling than just a simple pictures, because what would anybody want your face as an NFT for? But if it's a comic face, that's the whole another thing. So I discovered that is really nice to do here. So to go to the website where you can edit these pictures, and one of those websites I found was the funky.com. The first thing that comes up when you search a picture to art and click the first link. So here you can see we can just basically sign up with our email address and fill basic info stuffs. So that is really simple. Just create an account and we can get right to the work here. So click this create button. Now here we are going to use the photo editor. Now we need our picture, because as you can see we can just drop it in here and then we will edit it. At this point I'm just going to select my own pictures and we want to go back to our photo editor and just drop that right here. This is very easy. Now you can see over here they pop some different settings, different things such as to crop that resize, rotate. So we can do a lot of things here. First I'm just going to click on artsy and then click digital art here. You can choose many different digital artifacts. Now I click this effect and I think that is just great look. Looks like something, drew it, and that will work fine. I really recommend using this tool to turn these pictures into nice drawing like things. Now we are basically ready to export this picture, and for that we have to pay something because we have to upgrade our account, and I think it's $4.9, between $9. But I mean, technically I'm not going to tell you to do this, but technically you could just screenshot it. And yet now I'm just going to crop it. So I'm even going to crop this logo that we can have a clean picture. Now we have to go to the next step, visit the OpenSea. For the tutorial purpose I created an example account, and if you log in OpenSea, that's pretty easy. To create an account you just have to connect your wallet, and I connected a MetaMask. And if you don't have an wallet, you can create your wallet in just 5 minutes. So now you have these basic things, and then we just need to have this account, and you should see exactly look like this. Then we are just going to click on create, and here we can just basically begin with creating our NFT. And as you can see here, we have to import our file that we just created on this photo editor, and I'm going to quickly do that, and just like that I have imported the file. Very easy, just get the file of your computer. Now we have to call it something. I'm going to just call it Amazing Natural View or something like that. You just come up with a name that you think might be fit in this picture, and maybe as you now catchy in some way. Now we can add a description if you want to really sell this NFT. It's probably important to have a longer description, really describe something and get the buyer interest in your piece of art. Now that we have the description, now we can move on the next thing, and that is the collection part of this. And we can skip this part because obviously this is not a collection but a single item, and yet we don't need any special properties and traits level stats. And that stuff that is really only necessary if you have a collection over. So we are just going to strip that, and the supply will obviously be 1. So you can just leave it like that. Then the next thing we are going to look at this blockchain, and here we can either create it on a Polygon or Ethereum. And as you guys can see, Polygon is a gas-free blockchain that works with Ethereum. And it's really great because it's actually not with the huge prices of gas. So we are just going to use that, and now it's really just the last thing we need to do is just click on the create button. Now it says wait. So we are just going to wait for it. It might take a couple of seconds or minutes, and just like that we created our NFT. Now we can sell it for some money, and as you can see guys, it really looks like a painting. As I said, I can just click on sell here, and just like that you can turn any picture into an NFT and sell it on OpenSea. If you have a really great idea or a great picture that you turn into like a nice oil painting or something like that, you can make some serious money with that. For example, I could list this one for 2 Ethereum now, and somebody might end up buying it. So if you have been creating your own NFT, definitely go for it guys. Now you just saw how easy it was to create this NFT. You just have to have your own OpenSea account, and I hope you guys learned something from this video. That's exactly how you can make money from NFT. I really hope you did get value out of this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, Digital Ninja, and click the notification bell, smash the like button, and I will see you in the next video.